Witchy vibes are a Halloween classic, and for good reason. From bubbling cauldrons to flying brooms, witch-themed decor adds mystery, magic, and a touch of the whimsical to any space. Whether you're into spooky, elegant, or somewhere in between, here are enchanting ideas to help you summon the perfect witchy atmosphere this Halloween. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What witch-themed table decor works well? Use black tablecloths, purple candles, spellbook placemats, and gold or silver dishware. Add mini broomstick favors or cauldron name cards for guests. Table casting spells? Like this if your dinner's getting enchanted. What's a creative way to use cauldrons in decor? Fill cauldrons with green string lights, dry ice fog, or candy for trick-or-treaters. You can also use mini cauldrons as snack bowls or place them near your fireplace setup. Brewing up ideas? Like this if your cauldron's in the spotlight. What props should I use for a witchy indoor display? Include spellbooks, potion bottles, crystal balls, and candles. Place them on shelves or mantles with moss, bones, and cobwebs to create a spellcasting scene indoors. Love magical details? Like this if your shelves are getting spooky. What kind of witch lighting looks best? Go for green or purple string lights, flickering LED candles, or crystal ball lights. Hang glowing moons or stars to cast a soft, enchanted vibe in any space. Let it glow spooky, like this if lighting sets your mood. What are kid-friendly witch decor options? Use plush witch dolls, glow-in-the-dark hats, smiling cauldrons, and cartoon-style spellbooks. Keep it cute and colorful with soft lighting and magical themes. Sweet, not spooky? Like this if your witches are kid-approved. How do I make a flying witch scene? Attach a broom, hat, and cloak to a mannequin or frame and suspend it midair near your porch or ceiling. Add motion sensor cackles or fog to bring it to life. Airborne witch goals? Tap like if yours is taking flight. How do I create a witch-themed entryway? Place a broomstick beside the door, hang a witch's welcome sign, and set out a bubbling cauldron with green lights. Add a black doormat and dangling spiders for the full effect. Witchy welcome complete? Like this if your front door's ready. How can I make my fireplace witchy? Drape gauze or dark fabric, place potion bottles and spellbooks, and add a faux fire glow. Place a cauldron beside it and hang flying bats or witch shoes overhead. Hearth full of hexes? Like this if your fireplace is Halloween ready. How can I decorate with a witch hat theme? Hang floating witch hats from the ceiling using clear string. Mix in fairy lights or small bats. You can also use witch hats as centerpieces or even light covers for extra glow. Hat tricks on point? Tap like if floating hats are your thing. Can I set up a witch potion station? Yes. Use labeled glass bottles like wolf's bane or frog's breath. Add colored water, glitter, and floating eyeballs. Display them on a tray or shelf for a spooky potion bar. Potions in progress? Like this if your setup's magically mixed. Can I decorate a yard with a witch theme? Definitely. Set up crashed witch legs in bushes, glowing cauldrons on the lawn, and witch silhouettes flying past trees. Add broomsticks stuck in the ground as spooky markers. Yard full of charm? Like this if your garden's gone magical. Can I add witchy touches to my kitchen? Absolutely. Use themed towels, poison mugs, a spellbook recipe holder, and potion jars. A bubbling cauldron pot on the stove or a witch hat cookie jar seals the vibe. Kitchen witch mode? Like this if you're stirring up style. Witch Decor is full of personality. Fun, eerie, stylish, and imaginative. From floating hats to glowing potions, you can create a Halloween scene that casts a spell on everyone who visits. Feeling the witchy vibes? Like and come back for more magic-filled ideas.